Excuse me. I'll just remove my candy. Okay. Madam Witness, this morning, 4 hours ago, you were asked, Madam Witness, about the process, the routing process in your office. And this was done in connection with a question on the chain of custody, on the integrity of the process. Ang tanong sa'yo, naiwanan nga ng mga dokumentong ito relevant to this liquidation of confidential funds sa office of the COA Icubao.
Opo, tama po.
Iniwanan ni Attorney Wamil.
Opo.
And then by virtue of a directive to you by the office, you took over national agencies, correct?
Yes po.
Among them, the Office of the Vice President and the DepEd.
Opo, tama
Correct.
po.
Now, when you took over this function of evaluating the confidential funds of the Office of the Vice President at ang DepEd, yung mga dokumentong minana mo, ito ba ay certified documents lahat ng isang Davin Bakay?
Pwede pong pakiulit. Paano pong certified meaning?
How are you able to ascertain na yung mga dokumentong iniwanan sa office ng ICFAO are the very same documents na tinurn over sa office ni Attorney Wamil?
Nung ibinigay po sa akin ito, chinek ko din po yung nilalaman nito based dun sa transmittal letters po. So, na-check ko po na kung ano yung na-audit po ni Mr. Wamil, ito rin po yung naibigay sa akin.
So, walang nadagdag na dokumento.
Wala po.
Walang binawasan na dokumento.
Wala po.
Wala kayong pinalitan, sinubstitute na dokumento.
Wala po.
In other words, the integrity, the completeness of all those documents left by Attorney Wamil with the office of the ICFAO remained complete.
Yes po, tama po.